The crust of the Earth is the outermost layer, and tectonic plates are pieces of the Earth's crust. For billions of years, the Earth's tectonic plates have been moving slowly. When tectonic plates with the same density collide, they form mountains because they end up scrunched up against each other into the shape of mountains. Sometimes, when there is a weak spot on the Earth's crust, the magma tries to get out through that spot.
The Taal volcano was created due to the subduction of the Eurasian plate under the Philippine plate. The process of one plate sinking beneath another is called subduction. The volcano is located in Talisay and San Nicolas, Batangas, Luzon, Philippines. It is a part of a chain of volcanoes on the western part of Luzon.
Taal volcano consists of an island in Lake Taal, which sits on a caldera. A caldera is a large crater caused by the violent explosion of a volcano that collapses into a depression.
There have been 33 recorded eruptions since 1572, and the volcano has shown frequent activity. The death toll from its past eruption stands at 5,000 to 6,000.
Taal is a composite volcano.
The mouth of the volcano is concave with a bowl-like shape. The volcano used to be tall and steep, but after a large explosion, much of it collapsed and water rushed in.
What's it like when volcanoes grow? This is something you ought to know. Pressure builds without interruption, and then explodes in a volcanic eruption. When volcanoes erupt, here's what they do. The pressure makes ash and lava spew. Boulders can get thrown through the air. Move back, don't stand and stare.
The ground is made of ash. It's very grainy and it's very soft. This ash is here because it was spewed out of the volcanoes from a long time ago. You can see rocks back there. Yes, they're quite big. They solidified over time from lava that poured out of the volcanoes. This rock is small and smooth, and it's got a fine texture, which means it was probably formed during a volcanic explosion and cooled pretty fast. This rock, however, is bigger and more rough and jagged and not smooth at all. It's got holes and is crater-like, which means it was formed deep below the surface and cooled slowly. See the beautiful landscape created by molten rock, which attracts tourists from all over the country.
This area was once connected to the sea, and it was once salt water. But after the explosion, it kind of blocked off an area, so now there is fresh water. There are little pieces of land over there, which are fish farms. Bacteria over years formed into fish that are edible. And this is a way in which they can earn money.
People can use these as farmland and grow different crops and sell them. If, let's say, the volcano were to suddenly explode, that would be very dangerous for the inhabitants of this island. It would be really hard for the people to escape because, as you can see, it's an island and it's just surrounded by water. Lava flow is very slow moving but destructive as it cannot be stopped. Buildings could be destroyed in like a matter of minutes. Transport and communication will be blocked, which will stop the people from getting out. So while there may be some advantages to living near a volcano, there are also a lot of disadvantages.
May maganda bang nakukuha yung mga tao dito? Oo, meron din. Siyempre, kaya tulad dito, nung hindi pa ito nag-irap, di ba? Walang turista pumupunta dito. After nag-irap, maraming turista na pumupunta dito. Tapos ngayon, nagkaroon kami ng kahit paano kamting hanap buhay.
Ano pong pinagkikitaan niya?
Ayan, magkuha ng mga isda. Magpatuka.
Merong lugar na maganda dahil sa banda sa kabilang yan, maraming tanim na palay, kamote. Maganda na yung lupa dito. Pero dito sa lugar na pinutukan nito, hindi maganda dahil puro buhangin. Pero diya sa kabila na yun, sa may mga bahay na yan, sa banda na yan, maganda.
So maganda rin na nag-erupt yung Taal para na mga hanap buhay niyo.
Oo, maganda rin. Kaya lang, minsan, pag oras na yung active na to, hindi maganda dahil kahit pa paano natatakot kami, maaari kami umalis doon, punta sa lugar namin.
Kung pwede po kayo pumunta sa Maynila, pupunta po ba kayo? Bakit po?
Magpunta sa Maynila.
Alam niyo po ba kung gaano kadami yung mga nakatira dito?
Hindi. Marami eh.
Marami.
Bahay pa rin yan eh, yung tabi yan.
Kabila po meron.
Dami nakatira dito. Mga tayo siguro, diba?